Hey guys, so for today's content we are at a salt farm here on the island of Guimaras. So this salt farm, it's run by my wife's uncle, Ninoy. Ninoy was the man who was responsible for building our house as well. So let's check it out.
And so we will scrape some salt.
So we will scrape some salt.
Yeah.
Just walk along this narrow path.
Oh, you see the salt.
Where it happens, yeah. Do here. Show me what to do first, and then
Ayan, ay. Ano lang mo ya?
That's pretty simple enough, guys.
Sige.
Okay. So let's have a go at this. I'm a salt farmer, so I just go right down to this way.
Just don't get over the.
Oh yeah. Oh, with boys like that. Okay.
Oh, sige.
Okay, again. Oh.
Uy! Alam mo!
Sorry.
You destroyed it.
Yeah.
In the middle, oh.
Well, guys, it's a learning experience for me.
Gather in the middle.
Oh, I see. So
Oh, gather in the middle. Basa pa man ita? Oo.
Ninoy, so how often do you operate this farm? Is it a seasonal? Summer? Summer season, yeah.
During from January to May.
Ah, okay. Okay.
4 months.
4 months. Very good, very good. So this is the season for salt farming. How are you getting on? How's it going?
Yes, it's okay.
It's okay.
But very hot.
Very hot, yeah. Let's take a temperature here. Yeah, it's got a nice wind in this part of the island, which is great. So, yeah, but this is interesting. Places like this where people get their salt from. You sell the salt on to suppliers and businesses.
You asked me your salary.
Oh, what is my salary? One sack. One sack of rice.
Salt.
Oh, 1 sack of salt. Oh, that'll do for our chips.
Doing well.
No, it's good to get Filipino culture and experience a different side of life in the Philippines.
Sige na. Ginapatulo pa nita? Ha? Patulo pa ne?
Oo, dira na ibutang. Tak pakarap ano, dira isulod. Di pa mo na matulo na sa. Tuluon na. Nami ginasa ako lang dyan.
Dadan.
La.
Ako niya yung ginakadun.
So they will fill this square with water. They will fill this with water and then they will wait for it to get dry and form into a salt. And
Yeah.
then in the afternoon they will start to scrape the salts. And after that they will put it here in a big like bamboo tub to drain the water. You want me?
Love you. Wala na ka niya. Love you.
You want me to reach you?
How is it?
Huh? What is it?
How is it?
Yeah, that was a good experience, guys. So it's always interesting experiencing different aspects of the Philippines that wouldn't necessarily be covered in other vlogs that you see on YouTube as well. I just actually, even if it wasn't vlogging, it's still a good thing to experience as well. So yeah,
You're wearing Guevara's t-shirt, huh?
I'm wearing a Guimaras t-shirt. Yeah, so I'm in Guimaras and wearing a Guimaras t-shirt. Okay guys, so the water from the sea is sort of irrigated into this area and then it's deeper here, so then all you need to do is fill up the bucket of water like that and take it. Hey, please. Pour it in there. Then what will happen is that the water is left to dry in the sun, and then once it dries up you can start doing the shoveling and gathering the salt. I'll do another one. Okay.
Oh, fourth na, fourth.
Now here we go again. Pour the water.
Garawas.
And let the water dry up. I mean, people do this all day.
Oh.
It's very hot. I've only got 5 minutes. So. Guys, this is how some people live out here. This is how people make their livelihood. But this is life in the Philippines.
Tell everyone.
Okay, and then once you have shoveled the salt, then just gather it all together in this here. And this is my first attempt at shoveling the
sige na,
salt
put
into
it
this.
in your bucket.
And then put the salt in your bucket.
Uy, may garawas.
There we go.
Sige.
Okay, and just gather as much salt as you can.
Okay na.
how you do Filipino salt farming. Because that's how from my experience of it so far. So that concludes today's vlog. But I hope you enjoyed seeing how to do Filipino salt farming in the Philippines and just seeing a different side of things in the Philippines. Take care, and we'll see you in the next content. Bye bye.